I have planned one assignment for you that is related to chapter of Flash. You take it as a worksheet or you take it as assignment. The best practice is, first of all, you revise those questions. Read thoroughly the chapter of Flash from the book. Give a thorough reading. Then close your book and start practicing the assignment. Try to check how much you know. Okay? Am I clear? Yes, or you can take it as a case study. Case study is just like a comprehension type. You read the passage and from the passage you find the answers. You can treat your complete chapter in the book as case study. Open the case study in front of you, open the book in front of you, and read and find the answers. Sometimes by reading and writing, writing process also makes you aware about the concept. पढ़ो लिखो, कई बार ये प्रैक्टिस के साथ भी कॉन्सेप्ट माइंड में जाता है. डोंट क्रैम, डोंट गो विद द क्रैमिंग पार्ट कि मैं भाई उसको रट्टा मारूं और मैं करूं. डोंट गो विद दैट. ओके, am I clear to everyone? So I am starting with the revision of HTML chapter. All of you please pay attention on the blackboard. Right? Sit very straight and hold focus on the lecture. Don't look here and there. HTML hypertext markup language developed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991. Okay, what is your problem? Come fast. What are the main features of HTML? It is platform independent. It is not case sensitive. Create hyperlinks and hypertext. Used to create websites. So these are some of the important features of HTML. Now HTML, please, no need to note anything, just observe the blackboard. Close every book and every notebook. Sit straight in the class. After 10 minutes, I'll call 2 kids here who will explain the concept which I'm explaining. After every 10 minutes gap, I'll call 2 kids. So be very serious what I'm explaining on the blackboard. There are, only listen, don't interrupt in between. There are 2 types of tags. One is container. Don't interrupt, just listen. One is empty. Container tags are those tags which have on tag, off tag, opening tag, closing tag, both. Empty tags are those tags which only have on tag, that is, they have only the opening tag, they do not have any closing tag. Come out. Out, come here. Right? So there are 2 types of tags, container tag, empty tag. Examples of container tags are HTML and your body tag. There is one child in the class who every time draw the angle bracket like this. This is not the angle bracket. Angle brackets are like this. Your less than sign and greater than sign in the maths that you use. And whenever, whether it is a fill in the blank, whether it's a question answer, whether it's a true or whatever, whenever you write tag, tag to be written in the angle bracket. Remember this point very clearly in the examination. Every tag to be written inside the angular brackets. Okay. Then there is one concept, the structural tags of HTML. There are 4 structural tags: HTML, head, title, and body. आप इनको स्ट्रक्चरल कह लो, आप इनको बेसिक टैग कह लो, एक ही बात है. Whether you call them structural tags, whether you call them as basic tags, one and the same thing. इन चारों के अलावा और कोई भी स्ट्रक्चरल और बेसिक टैग नहीं है. Gaurav, sit straight in the class. We are revising. Then what is the structural layout? What is the basic diagram, basic layout of the HTML page? What is the structure of HTML page? Every HTML page starts with HTML tag. I want chalks. Followed by the head tag. Inside the head tag, we have the title tag. Write the title over here and close the title tag. Title tag is enclosed inside the head tag. Here we close the head tag, followed by the body tag. Here we write all the formatting tags. We do all the formatting. We write the actual content of the web page. Sir, we are studying, I guess. And we close the body tag. And we close the HTML tag. This is the basic structural diagram of the HTML document. The actual content which will get displayed in the browser, जो browser में display होगा, वो ये सारा मैटर होगा, जो body tag के अंदर enclose किया जाए. Am I clear up till here? 4 basic tags are clear to you. Then structure of HTML page is divided into 2 parts, 2 sections. Header section and body section. The 2 sections of HTML document or HTML structure are header section and the body section. This is the body section and this is the header section. Got it? Am I clear up till here? Any queries, any doubt up till here? Then let us study the different attributes of body tag. First and the most important attribute, BG color, the background color. BG color, the full form of BG color attribute is background color. एक बात 7C हमेशा याद रखना, कोई भी एट्रीब्यूट हो उसमें स्पेस नहीं आती. आप सभी कई बार एट्रीब्यूट्स को ऐसे लिखते हो, दिस इज रॉन्ग, इसके मार्क्स कटेंगे तुम्हारे। नो एट्रीब्यूट हैज स्पेस इन इट्स नेम। Attribute name is one single word, so please don't create space in between. Okay, so what is the role of bg color? Bg color attribute of body tag is used to specify the color to be displayed in the background of the web page. It specifies the color of the बैकग्राउंड ऑफ द वेब पेज, कि बैकग्राउंड में क्या कलर आएगा, पूरे पेज के बैकग्राउंड में क्या कलर आएगा। सेकंड इज बैकग्राउंड। बैकग्राउंड एट्रीब्यूट ऑफ बॉडी टैग स्पेसिफाइज द इमेज which is to be inserted in the background of the web page. I give one very live example to you for the background. You all are using WhatsApp. When you are chatting with your friend, आप चाहते हो चैट विंडो के पीछे कोई इमेज इंसर्ट हो जाए, तो आप थीम्स में जाके यू चेंज द वॉलपेपर एंड ऑल दैट। वही चीज है ये। वेब पेज के बैकग्राउंड में अगर कोई इमेज चाहते हो, कोई फोटो चाहते हो, you have to use the background attribute of the body tag. Then we have text attribute. Text attribute of body tag is used to specify the color of the text. जैसे आपने कोई sentences लिखे हैं, आपने कोई text टाइप किया है and you want the text to be appearing in the red color, then you can say text equal to red, right? Then next we have a link. A link means active link. This is not given in your book. I am telling you extra for your knowledge. A link is active link. जिस लिंक पे करंटली आपने क्लिक किया. Then is V link. Visited link. The link which you have currently visited. And then is link. Many times you have used internet. आप कई बार देखते हो कुछ ब्लू कलर के वर्ड्स आते हैं जो अंडरलाइन होते हैं. Those blue color words, they are links. उन्हें hyperlinks कहते हैं. By default, hyperlinks are always blue in color. The default color of A link is red. Default color of V link is purple. Default color of link is. Then the next attribute is top margin and left margin. Okay, so these all are the attributes of body tag, right? Am I clear up to here? Any doubt, any queries? Then in the body section of HTML, there are two levels. What are those two levels? Block level, text level. Block level elements, text level elements. What are the block level elements? Paragraph tag, heading tag, HR. These are the block level elements. And what are the text level elements? Bold, italic, underline. They are the text level elements. Am I clear? Okay. With which symbol closing tag is represent? Forward slash. Forward slash. Am I clear to all? Block level elements, paragraph tag, your heading elements, and your HR. Okay, so P tag stands for paragraph. HN is heading element. Heading element. horizontal rule. Okay, then you have I tag, italic tag, you have U tag, don't shout. You have B. When you are giving the answer, you are not supposed to shout in the class. Okay. So next we have font tag. A font tag का role क्या है? Font tag is used to specify the size, the color, and the style of the particular segment of text. जो साइज एट्रीब्यूट है ये फॉन्ट का साइज बताता है और इसकी एक रेंज होती है. रेंज इज 1 to 7. मिनिमम साइज 1 हो सकता है, मैक्सिमम साइज 7 हो सकता है, पर इसका डिफॉल्ट साइज क्या है? 3 is the default size. Lakshit, what you are noting down? Please close your notebook. Clear? Then we have the next category, subscript and superscript. When you want to print the data below the normal line, that is subscript. The full form is. When you want to print the data above the normal line, that is. अगर मैं ये टाइप कर रहा हूं तो which tag I am using? अगर मैं ये टाइप कर रहा हूं sorry. Now I am typing one command over here and one of you will come on the blackboard and will write the answer. मैं एक क्वेश्चन लिख रहा हूं और आप में से कोई एक बच्चा विलिंगली आएगा और यहाँ पे आंसर लिखेगा कि इसका आंसर क्या होगा, but don't make a mess in the class. Anybody willingly come and write the answer? Pranay. There is a command in front of you. Tell me what output, what will be displayed on the browser window. Too good. Too nice. Okay, another thing. क्या आउटपुट आएगा? Somebody come and write. नाम क्या है गुड़िया? जी जी. ठीक है, थोड़ा इटैलिक और करो. ठीक है, अगर आपको आंसर शीट पे इटैलिक शो करना पड़ जाए ना, थोड़ा स्लांटिंग होगा. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा स्लांटिंग होगा ऐसा. ठीक है, और अगर बोल्ड शो करना पड़ जाए उसको डार्क करना शुरू कर दो ऐसे, जस्ट टू सिग्निफाई इट इज बोल्ड. Got it? Am I clear to all? Okay, one more conceptual question. Who will fill it up? Dharamjeet. Please be quiet. Pranav, sit properly. धर्म जी की तरफ थोड़ी सी गलती हो गई बेटा, इसको थोड़ा ऐसे खींचना, बहुत बड़ा भी नहीं बट थोड़ा छोटा भी, ठीक है? ओके, गुड, वेरी नाइस. These are called conceptual questions. Okay, got it?